Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide a strip in Wix. This is particularly useful when you want to streamline your mobile site design or remove elements that don't quite fit on smaller screens. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, look for the option that says Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with a few choices. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific site you want to work on. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is indeed the website where you want to hide a strip. It's always good practice to double-check you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects through your Wix account. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this button on the top part of your screen, usually positioned beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to editing the visual elements of your site. Click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize your site's appearance. To hide a strip specifically on mobile, you'll need to switch to mobile view first. Start by navigating to the mobile view by clicking the mobile icon on the top part of your screen. This ensures that any changes you make will only affect how your site appears on mobile devices. Once you're in mobile view, locate the strip you wish to hide and click on it. When you select a strip in mobile view, you'll notice a hide icon appears. It looks like an eye symbol. Simply click on this eye icon to hide the strip. This instantly removes it from your mobile layout without affecting your desktop version. After clicking the hide icon, you'll see a new menu appear on your left side. This menu shows all the elements you've currently hidden on your mobile site. This is incredibly handy if you ever want to review what you've hidden or need to undo any changes. If you wish to make a strip visible again, you can just click on Show Elements from this menu and restore it whenever you need to. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a strip on your Wix mobile site, giving you cleaner control over how your content displays across different devices. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.